Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. My name is Anthony. I got to get to the antique booth today. I got a big load of stuff priced and ready to go. Probably need to go a couple times this week, but I definitely want to get one trip in there so I can check out the guest book and just take a bunch of big stuff with me. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to take you along with me. Before that, it was a pretty big day on froggyflips.com, so I got to pull those orders real quick. So let's go ahead and get that started, and then we'll head on out to the booth. Right, Elliot?
Yeah, it's super fun to be in the living room.
The living room?
Yeah, right in here too.
Huh. So it was definitely a big Taz day. We'll start with these Taz buttons and pins. These were bought by Chrissy for 18 plus shipping. Thank you so much, Chrissy. I hope you enjoy them. The next order is 3 items from a repeat buyer, which I love. We have a Mac Tools racing hat and 2 sets of older WWF wrestling cards. These were bought by Sam over at the Eclectic Sam YouTube channel. And he said, "Hey Froggy, Sam from Eclectic Sam YouTube channel again. Had to get these cards. Hope there are a few in good enough shape to get graded. Thanks." Well, Sam, thank you so much. Hopefully there are a few in good enough condition and you make a ton of money on them eventually. Got 2 Taz hats going out to Dean. We have the Trust Me I'm Single hat and the Taz Grouch hat. Dean, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, buddy. Next up, we got Barbara, who bought the Kitty Cucumber lot. I thought this stuff was kind of neat. It's going out for $8 plus shipping, and Barbara left a note that says, "Glad to see you're doing so well. Would love to buy more. I think someone asked earlier if you would look for more feminine kind of things, and you said you would try, or am I mistaken? Not sure how else to phrase that. Thanks so much. Can I get an extra sticker to pass on to my daughter, please? I also watched you mail my last order in the beginning of one of your videos, but when my order arrived, I couldn't find it to show my family. Do you ever delete any footage? I was pretty excited to show them. Just asking if you don't mind. Best wishes to your family. Thank you, Barbara." So yes, I am definitely trying to keep more of an eye out for the stuff that ladies would enjoy. I have Sarah helping me with that. I definitely don't have an expert eye for it, but we're trying to work on that. Hence the Kitty Cucumber stuff. Absolutely, you can get another sticker. And no, I don't delete footage. I'll do my best to go back and see which video that was. But thank you so much, Barbara. I really hope you enjoy this stuff. Next up, we have this lot of vintage bubble lights. There's a few new in the package and a bunch of random ones in there. These are going out for 26 plus shipping to David. And David says, "Hey Froggy, love the content. Thank you for everything you do. Also, thanks for tuning into my live stream this week, NC Picker." So this is David from NC Picker. It's actually one of my favorite YouTube channels. If you haven't yet checked out NC Picker, please do. But David, thank you so much. Thank you for the kind words, and I really hope you enjoy the bubble lights. Next order is 2 items going out to my old buddy Connie. I run into Connie a lot at the auctions and stuff like that. But she got this vintage hourglass as well as this Dark Eyes bottle. It's like the I Dream of Jeannie bottle. Very cool. I love this thing. It's not the Jim Beam version. It's the Dark Eyes version. Total, these are going out for 36 plus shipping. Plus, she used the coupon code Froggy because she bought more than one item, so she got 20% off. So thank you so much, Connie. I really hope you enjoy these. Next up, we got another Taz hat. This is Do I Look Like a People Person? And this is going out to Dwayne. Dwayne, thank you so much, buddy. I really hope you like it. Next up, we got 2 more items. These are basically 2 junk drawer lots. We have a lot of old power tubes and then a lot of old toys. These are going out for $15 plus shipping, minus the 20% discount because of the coupon code. And these are going to Joseph. And Joseph says, "Keep on hopping in the free world." Thank you so much, Joseph. I really appreciate that, and I hope you enjoy these. And then we have this Bud Light football player inflatable, brand new in the package. This is going out for $15 plus shipping. And this was bought by Steve, who didn't leave a message, but he did leave a YouTube comment that says, "Hi, Anthony. I just purchased your Bud Light inflatable, but couldn't leave a message for you, but wanted to give you a shout out here. Love your channel and your entertainment you provide here. You're a nice, respectful dude and wish you all the best. Stay safe." Thank you so much, Steve. That really means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. And I hope this thing looks awesome when it's all blown up. Next order is another Taz hat. This plaid bill Taz hat here. It's going out for 8 plus shipping, and it was bought by David, who says, "Thanks, Anthony. I love your videos. Please include stickers. Thanks." Absolutely, you'll get some stickers. Thank you so much, David. I appreciate it. And then we have this set of 3 vintage fast food buttons. I think there's maybe 1 from Wendy's and 2 from Burger King. I thought these were really cool. They're going out for $8 plus shipping, and they're going to April. April, thank you so much. I hope you think they're as cool as I do. We have 3 lots of buttons going out in one order. Just some random vintage buttons, and then a bag of old political buttons. These are going out for $31 minus the 20% discount for buying more than 1 item. And they're going out to Jessica, who says, "Thanks for the coupon code. Love your channel and wish you the best of luck with your antique booth." Thank you so much, Jessica. I really hope you like the buttons. And then lastly, this was just a private PayPal sale. Brandon wanted to buy the rest of the Taz hats I had, so I took the few that I had remaining on the website and the rest of them, sent him a couple pictures, and now these are going out to him. So thank you so much, Brandon. I really hope you enjoy them. All right, time to get this stuff loaded and off to the antique booth. All right, so I just loaded a bunch of stuff inside. I'll go through it all real quick and show you what we got. But first, it's been a while since I checked in with the guest book, so let's see who new has signed. I believe the last video we did, we left off with Christine, and since then, Kevin has been there. There's my pal Kevin right there. Thanks for stopping in, buddy. We got Wesley Flat from Livingston, Tennessee. Maybe shout out to my eBay store, Flat Marketplace. Stay safe, stay healthy, love you, bye. That's pretty funny. So check out Flat Marketplace, looks like 2 T's, F-L-A-T-T, Marketplace on eBay, and that's Wesley's store. Thank you so much for stopping in. We got Doug from Greenfield, Sean Kenny from Indy, Technoblade, Tommy Innit. We got Molly and Violet from Muncie, Indiana. Thank you so much for driving down here. John and Jackie. Becky S. from Madison, Indiana. Love your channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Otis Crowbeater. Awesome name. From Rocky Top, Tennessee. So that's pretty cool. Another check-in from Tennessee. Thank you so much for driving down. Awa Awa with a little scary kitty. And it says, I love this store. Marion, Indiana. I think that's all of them. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you stopping in, and I appreciate you taking the time to sign the book. Alright, so some of the stuff I brought, got a bunch of vinyl records in here. Nothing too great. There's like some Elvis and some Johnny Cash and some Willie Nelson and stuff, but just like a lot of $1 to $4 records. I'll show you in just a second all the records I already have in here. They're pretty much gone except for a handful, so that'll be nice to have those in here. This is stuff from that recent auction. I was going to either throw away or donate most of this stuff, but then I figured, hey, it's kind of old. It's in good shape. Let's just mark it like $1 or $2 and just pop it on some shelves here in the booth, and we'll see what happens. So that's what all this stuff is, just some plates and dishes and stuff like that. So we'll see. I brought in this little magazine rack thing. It says not for sale on the side, but I figured I could keep like paperwork in here. It's got some old posters and maps and everything. Some different types of ephemera and what have you. So I think that'll look nice somewhere. I brought my Playtex dispenser that I got from Clay down at Bay 7. Here's that green cabinet I got from that garage sale recently. I think both of those will do pretty well in here. There's a couple typewriters that I at auction recently, and there's one. That's one I got from Kevin right there. As well as a little film machine thing. Got a couple heaters since it's freezing outside. There's an old Coleman catalytic heater, and there is a Perfection kerosene heater. Got both of my 3-gallon jugs in here, my Coleman jugs. One's red and one's green. And then this old trunk full of stuff that I was supposed to bring a while ago and kind of sat it to the side and forgot about it. So that's got some stuff in there. This mirror was part of it too. So hopefully I can stick that up on the wall. And then I brought this little display case full of stickers with a little note that says take one. I thought I might put this up on the display cabinet over there, just to have a little gift for the people that, you know, take the time to sign the guest book and stuff. So that's everything we brought today. I still have a lot more to bring, but this was a bunch of big stuff that was taking up a lot of space. So I'm gonna get to work and start trying to make some of this stuff look pretty. So I think this will do for now. So we kind of start over here. Got the trunk and those cabinets right there. Kind of filled the shelves a little bit. Still need to get this Christmas stuff out of here, but I figure this week when I bring some more small stuff for the shelves, that's when I'll pull all this old Christmas stuff out of here. Right now it makes it look less empty, so I'm gonna leave it for today. Put these jugs and stuff up here. Put the boxes down there because they were going to fall off the shelf, so hopefully people will notice. But we got our typewriters opened up and displayed. This little film thing here, heater, another jug. The records are all filled up now, so that's nice. Went ahead and moved the globe over here. put a few things on this little shelf. Ideally this should be on the wall, but I didn't bring my drill, so I can't move a screw right now. I'm not crazy about this, but that's what we're going with for now, just so they're all displayed. I mean, these are like $1 items, so if they don't move pretty quick, I'll probably take those out of here anyway. And here's our little ephemera display. Move this creeper over to here. And then for now, this is where the stickers are gonna go. I know it's not ideal having it up here. I'm just gonna leave it there for now, and then probably figure something else out in the future. But I like having it at least near the guest book. So yeah, it's not perfect, but at least there's some stuff in here now. Well, as I was walking past my window, I saw someone looking through the records, so that's pretty cool. But that's about all I got for you this time, guys. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.